Okay, all right. Back to the Violin Lessons channel. This is page 22 of Strictly Strings, and learning 3/4 time, dotted half notes, and 3-note slurs. So if you know what a dot is, then you can figure out how many beats are in a dotted half note. Well, a dotted half note, a dot adds half the value to the beat. So if the beat is a half note, and half the value to the note. If the note is a half note, you get 2 beats in a half note, and then you add half that value of that, and you get 1. So the note lasts for 3 beats. So we're going to do this like pros. The tempo markings are allegro and moderato. Tempo markings tell us how fast or slow the music goes. Time signature, the 3 on top means there are 3 beats to a measure. The 4 on the bottom means the quarter note gets the beat. And dotted half notes, 3/4 time, are the whole measure. So dotted half notes get 3 beats. Number 1, G major scale. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I gotta put it in 3/4. I got a metronome here. So we'll escape the baccata. And it's already in 3. Oops. So I'm putting it on 3 in a timer. This is at 82.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2. Let's just like the woman says.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're going to go to number 2. Slur 3 notes together, 3/4 notes. 1, 2, 3. Now, number 4 is that moderato. It's a moderate tempo. And it's a French folk song. It's our first song in 3. So 1, 2, number 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to go into 4. This is 4/4 time, and it's old MacDonald. So we're going back to 4/4 time. We're going to hit the baccata. This is number 4. And you notice the top part says arco, so that's bowed. You notice the bottom part says pits, that's plucked. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm going to play number 5, which is the pizzicato part. So place your thumb at the end of the fingerboard and slightly strum or slide the finger across the string. Don't pick it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was Old MacDonald, the top part and the bottom part, pizzicato part and the arco part. Now we're going to play Violin Special. This is Fiddler's Woman. And you notice we're going to be playing on 2 strings at once. So we first start out on A and E, then we lift, then we go to D and A, then we lift, then we play A and D and A and E and D and A and G and D, then we lift and play A and D, and then A and E, A and D, lift, A and E, D and A, G and D. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Gotta tune my string. Let's try that again. 2, 3, and 4, and. Lift. 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 Well, If you like that, hit like, subscribe, and share, and comment. Comments are good. And if you want to go to the next lesson, it's right up there. Or it might be right up there. I don't know. It's somewhere. It's the next video. It's the video on the screen. Thank you.